Ever pondered about the role of inheritance in Java, particularly single inheritance? Today we're going to unravel this concept and shed some light on its importance in Java programming. Single inheritance, as the name suggests, is a type of inheritance where a class inherits properties from only one superclass. In the world of Java, it's akin to a child inheriting traits from a single parent. Now, before we delve into specifics, let's take a moment to understand inheritance in general. In the realm of object-oriented programming, inheritance is a principle that allows us to create new classes using classes that have already been defined. It's a way to promote code reusability and establish a relationship between different classes. In the context of Java, single inheritance plays a vital role in the organization and structure of code, making it more readable and maintainable. Now that we have a basic understanding, it's time to dive deeper into the mechanics of single inheritance in Java. Ready to explore the nuts and bolts of single inheritance in Java? Let's dive in. In the realm of Java, inheritance is a fundamental principle that allows one class, known as a subclass, to inherit the traits of another class, called a superclass. This inheritance of attributes and methods from one class to another is the cornerstone of single inheritance. Imagine a simple scenario where we have a superclass called animal and a subclass named dog. The animal class has attributes like size and color, and methods such as eat and sleep. When the dog class inherits from the animal class, it automatically acquires these attributes and methods. So without defining these attributes and methods again, our dog class can eat, sleep, and have a size and color. This is the magic of single inheritance. But what about multiple inheritance, you may ask? Well, Java deliberately doesn't support multiple inheritance to avoid what's known as the diamond problem. This is a situation where a class inherits from two classes that have a common superclass. It can lead to ambiguity and confusion, and Java likes to keep things simple and clear. Now let's talk about the extends keyword. This little word plays a big role in single inheritance. When we want a class to inherit from another, we use the extends keyword. In our earlier example, we would say class dog extends animal. With this simple line of code, our dog class becomes a subclass of animal, inheriting its attributes and methods. To sum it up, single inheritance in Java is a powerful tool that allows us to create complex class structures while reducing redundancy and promoting code reusability. It's the extends keyword that makes this possible, and the deliberate omission of multiple inheritance keeps our code uncomplicated and straightforward. A grasp of these mechanics will enable you to use single inheritance efficiently in your Java programs. So what are the crucial nuggets to remember about single inheritance in Java? Well, the first is understanding that single inheritance is a mechanism where a class acquires the properties and behaviors of another class. Second, the extends keyword facilitates this inheritance. And finally, remember that Java only permits single inheritance, meaning a class can inherit from just one superclass. Keep these points in mind, and you'll be on your way to mastering single inheritance in Java. Enjoyed learning about single inheritance in Java? If you found this information valuable, it's time to spread the knowledge. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coders. And if you've got a thirst for more insights into the world of Java, there's a simple solution. Just hit that subscribe button. Get ready to dive deeper into the world of programming with us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more Java